Hello, good morning. I am Muhammad Mamunur Rashid. I am studying in Bachelor of Computer Science in Geometrica University. How are you, everybody? Today I want to speak something. But guess what does uh, topic I want to talk? Yeah, I think you get it. I want to talk about the current situation in science and technology in our whole world. Okay. So, science and technology plays vital role in the modern life and profoundly influenced the course of human civilization. Technology advancement in the modern life has provided us lots of remarkable insights all over the world. Scientific revolution has taken its full speed from the 20th century has made become more advanced in the 21st century. We have entered to the new century in new way and with the arrangement of well-being of the people. Okay. Today I want to highlight the one country that become a very great situation about the science and technology. Yeah, it's India. India has become an important source of creative and foundational scientific development and approach all across the world. All the great scientific discoveries and the technological achievements in our country have improved the Indian economics status and have created many new way to the new generation to growth in the technologically advanced environment. There are many new scientific research and development have been possible in the field of mathematics, architecture, chemistry, astronomy, medicine, metallurgy, natural philosophy, physics, agriculture, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, astrophysics, nuclear energy, space technology, applications, defense research, biotechnology, information technology, electronics, oceanography, and other areas. See, lot of side they applied the science and technology and they became success. Introduction of scientific research ideas and techniques to the field of education has brought a huge level of positive change in the new generation and provide them variety of new and innovation opportunities to work in the field of their own interest. Modern science in India has been awakened by the continuous and hard effort of the outstanding scientists. Scientists in India are great who have made possible the scientific advance of highest international caliber. Technological development in any field enhance the economy of any nation in order to improve the power of science and technology in India. India government has made Council of Scientific and Industrial Research in the year 1942 and Board of Scientific and the Industrial Research in the year 1940. In order to emphasize the growth of science and technology in the century, Indian government has established a chain of national laboratories and research institutions in the various regions. Yeah, this is the current situation. This is the current technology and the science development in India. Okay, thank you.